Hey, what's up everyone? It's Anthony and we are going Christmas tree shopping. This is Jayden's first year or first Christmas, so it's extra special for us. Where are we going? To the same place. Okay, we're going to the same place we did last year to find our Christmas trees. So, what the hell kind of temperature is this? 0 degrees! Yeah, man. We're almost there. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. We're going Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Jayden, we're going Christmas tree. Thanks, Mommy, for blocking the light. Jayden, going to get Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Like everything else important in life, is sleeping through it. Jayden, which Christmas tree do you want? We're not going to get a big one because our apartment's not that big. Amy,
yeah.
Which one are you going to get?
I don't know, maybe a green one?
Which green one?
What do you think?
Okay.
Green?
Those are the green.
Or red? What do you want?
And those are the red. So the red ones are the smallest ones, the green ones are after the red.
This one was really cool.
Okay, but they're quite wide. So I don't think we might fit them in the car. Jayden, 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 which Christmas tree do you want? Christmas tree. Jayden, Christmas tree.
What about this one there? So that one.
Oh, lucky we beat the traffic. Oh, we got some traffic on the other side. So we've got a little Christmas tree and we're going home. But I'm hungry, so we're going to McDonald's, which is the quickest thing to get. And then we can go home and set up the Christmas tree. As I was saying, there's traffic. Now there's traffic on our side. We will never win. Never ever win. Traffic in Annecy, France is... I guess it's also really bad in Paris and Marseille, but... I mean, come on. Everybody. For my... It's good for my bed, yeah. Woo! We got our little Christmas tree in the roundabout. That looks cool. Let's turn on the radio so I don't get flagged. But that Christmas tree, and Christmas lights everywhere. This is amazing. And then we've got traffic, more traffic. I don't want more traffic. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree in the park, Christmas tree. It's not a park, it's just a huge ass roundabout. Where there's a lot of cars and traffic. We are at the McDonald's. We are at our favorite McDonald's. This is McDonald's Epany. And it's next to, it's in Grande Auchan, which is the place. I'm gonna have that one, and that one. McChicken et double cheese, juste le sandwich.
Ah, donc pas celui-là.
Non. Non, juste pour le vlog.
McChicken and double
Menu
cheese.
best of, oui, menu best of McChicken.
And double cheese.
Et double cheese, oui.
Okay.
And Jayden's crying. Jayden, what do you want to eat? Hey, I want my McDonald's.
Yes, coming.
We have McDonald's. Mission complete. Why do they have a freaking Papa Smith on this thing? What the?
Because it's
No, it's not. I don't want a Papa Smith on my freaking McDonald's.
the jouet. The toys. When they get kids.
Ah, les jouets pour qui?
Pour les enfants.
Et moi?
Toi, t'as pas pris de Happy Meal.
Mais non, c'est pas vrai.
La prochaine fois, Happy Meal.
Wrong gear! Emmy had the wrong gear! Oh yes, oh yes. I should do just like vlogs on Emmy's driving, because she drives like, well, I'm not gonna say women because that's bad. I'm just gonna say Emmy drives like Emmy, and she doesn't use the indicator unless I scream at her, and when she does use the indicator, she forgets to turn off the indicator.
Not always.
Okay, 99% of the time. The 1% I don't notice. So wait, yeah, let's get back to Emmy's driving. She puts the wrong gear. She insists on having a manual car. When I said, okay, we'll switch to an automatic. No, not even an automatic with a Tiptronic, like one of those, you know, BMW 1 Series. No, she insists on getting a manual, where the last car, she stuffed up the gearbox. She broke the spider gears in the diff, and she broke the, what did she break? She fused the pressure plate to the clutch plate. So that one didn't work, and now I think our new car is not going to last very long with her. Anyways, I'll catch you up when we get home. Yeah, so let me just show you. We're living next to the Mitsubishi Motors and the Porsche showroom. I'll probably do a walk over to Porsche one of my vlogs. And we have a buffalo grill. Well, it's buffalo buffalo girl, because grill, because someone forgot to change the light for I, so it's buffalo grill. Yeah, great. Good old Emmy. Good old Emmy bringing us the Christmas tree. Come, Emmy. Ta-da! Jayden's happy. He's got a Christmas tree. Yay! Look, we got a Christmas tree. And we got McDonald's. McDonald's and Christmas tree. Jayden, do you like the Christmas tree? Jayden, do you like the Christmas tree? Jayden. Yo. Do you like the Christmas tree? Hey, buddy. Christmas tree. Good job, Emmy.